I'm Leona Yon, and I've been in the whole health program since it started. I've been with the VA now in the Villages. I just hit my 8-year anniversary. I wish that all veterans and family members knew that this program was worthy. And so often they hear of something and they want to know what's the catch, or they want to know what's it going to cost, or they get concerned over how much time do I have to invest. And this program is totally geared to whatever fits the veteran's needs, whatever the veteran wants to put into it. So if they only have time once a month, that's all they have to do. This isn't something like a routine doctor's appointment where they're scheduled and they have to be seen every couple weeks or every couple months. This works in so many different aspects, from face-to-face to technology with the virtual visits to group settings, that they can really link in anywhere, and we're there to accommodate what's going to fit them best. So I really wish they knew how versatile it was and how easy the access, and that there was no hidden agenda.